Hi guys, welcome to Unreal Engine video tutorial series. In this video, I would like to discuss linking light to mesh in Unreal Engine. Linking light to mesh means we can control which light affects which mesh in Unreal Engine using lighting channels, guys. Linking light to mesh means we can control which light affects which mesh in Unreal Engine using lighting channels, guys. This is especially useful for optimizing performance or creating selective lighting effects. Guys. Note, to link light to mesh, the mesh and the light must share the same lighting channel, guys. And Unreal Engine supports up to 3 lighting channels. Here I have defined the steps to link the light to mesh, guys. Let's have a demo and understand. What I do here, I go to shapes, drag and drop a sphere. You can see I have placed a sphere. I make a duplicate of this. I make one more duplicate of this, drag the other side here, and then I apply this material, brick clay new, apply the material. Okay. After that, what I do, I'm going to add some spotlights here. I drag and drop a spotlight, okay, and then I move it up so that it lights all these 3 spheres. Okay. Now what I do here, in the spotlight, I change the intensity to 30 and change the color to red. So here green and blue I set 0 0 0 0. So we got the red light. Okay. I delete the directional light. You can see I have removed the directional light. Now all these spheres and the ground are lit by the spotlight here, and if you carefully observe the floor, sphere 2, sphere 3, they are in the channels. If I search for channels, they are in channel 0, as well as the spotlight is also in the channel 0, guys. The spotlight is also in the channel 0. That is the reason all these meshes, okay, are lit by the spotlight. Here we have the spotlight, okay, which is a red color light. Okay, I control D, I make a duplicate of spotlight, and then what I do, you can see it is also in channel 0 by default. I go here and change its color to green. So I say here 0 0, and here I say FF, and then I say enter. That's green color. Okay, now red and green, both spotlights are getting applied to these meshes. I'm going to duplicate again. So spotlight 2, control D to duplicate. We have spotlight 3 also. Let me change its color to blue. So here I say 0 0, and here I say FF, hit enter. You see we got blue color. Okay. Now spotlight 1, spotlight 2, spotlight 3, all these 3 lights are actually affecting these spheres, and if you carefully observe, the spheres are getting displayed with the original material, the same color, right? Why? Because we know that when we mix red, green and blue colors together, we get the white color, right? We get the white color, right? Now what I want here is, I want sphere should be lit by spotlight. Sphere 2 should be lit by spotlight 2. Sphere 3 should be lit by spotlight 3. So I want to link here. Spotlight should be linked to sphere. Spotlight 2 should be linked to sphere 2. Spotlight 3 should be linked to sphere 3. How do we do that? So as I told here, the mesh and the light must share the same lighting channel. That means if I go and select the sphere 3 and the spotlight 3, I put both of them in the same channel. I say here channels, or you can say lighting channels. Okay, channels. What I do here, sphere 3 I put in the channel 2 and remove from channel 0. Sphere 3 I placed in channel 2, and I take the spotlight 3, I am going to remove it from 0, I put it in 2. You can see sphere 3 and spotlight 3 both are actually sharing the same channel, right? Both are in the channel 2. That is the reason the blue color light is actually applied to sphere 3. So we have linked the spotlight 3 to the sphere 3, guys. In the same way, I select sphere 2. I am going to remove it from channel 0, put it in channel 1. Okay, channel 1. Spotlight 2 I select, I remove it from channel 0, I put it in channel 1. Now sphere 2 and spotlight 2 are linked, guys. This is actually called as linking light to mesh. We can control which light is affected to which mesh in Unreal Engine using the channels, guys. Now you can see here, sphere is in channel 0, spotlight is in channel 0. That is the reason it is illuminated by the red light, and even the ground is in the channel 0. So if I say the ground should be in channel 0, channel 1 as well as channel 2, now the ground is displayed with the original material, right? This is a material I have used actually. That is how you can link the light to a mesh in Unreal Engine, guys. So make sure the mesh and the light must share the same lighting channel, guys, to link light to a mesh. I hope you guys have clearly understood how you can link a specific light to a specific actor in the Unreal Engine using lighting channels. If you still have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section, guys. I suggest you people to try it yourself. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Unreal Engine step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.